Hi,
Good morning.
I'm Daryl.
I'm Freddy.
I'm JR. We are the students of the Immaculate Heart of Mary College from 3rd year Thomas. We are here to conduct an interview to Miss Karen Sarsale and Miss Joanne Tito regarding to the addiction to the internet. Good afternoon. Let me introduce Miss Joanne Tito. She is graduate of Bachelor of Science in Psychology from Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Manila, batch 2004.
Our first question is, how serious is internet addiction in our country today?
It is very serious today as of age 8 years old. They are using computer because of internet.
Our second question is, what is the appropriate age for children to be allowed to use internet and why?
I think 12 or 13 years old because they can understand instructions and reminders.
Aside from internet, what teenagers are addicted to?
The teenager also addicted into video games.
What are the effects of internet addiction?
The effect of internet addiction may result in personal, family, and academic problems. The individual suffering from this stage may spend less time with their family, studies, and may interfere their daily lives.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of internet addiction?
Basically, internet serves as means of communication, business-related, entertainment, and researching, especially for those students who have their assignment and project who can easily access into internet. But upon abusing this trend, this will lead to addiction. Nowadays, with online gaming, the student sometimes will skip their classes and will affect their grades, and sometimes the individual may open their eyes on the pornography.
What tips can you give to prevent internet addiction?
If you are the parent, make sure to regulate or restrict your individual or your child to use of the computer.
Who is more prone to internet addiction, girls or boys, and why?
I think it's girl. Normally, they are passionate. They love the trend. They love online shopping. And they love expresses their emotions on Facebook or on social networks.
What are common sites that teenagers normally visit and why?
Of course, Facebook, Twitter, and Friendster. They are currently popular social networks using every day by millions of people around the world.
What is the primary cause of internet addiction?
Nowadays, it is easy to connect to internet because of lot of means such as cell phones and computer shop.
For our last question, can we still control teenagers from being addicted to internet?
Definitely yes, by regulating teenagers in using internet.
Thank you very much, Miss Joanne, for your time and for your sharing of your expertise. This will be a big help for us in our project.
Thank you also and good luck to your project.
Thank you very much.